Hello, my crafty friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. If you have been following me for any length of time, you will know that I am a big fan of Cheaply Chic, Lynette. And I have been on her design team for a long time. And I was kind of like on her design team before she even had a design team. And I love her journals. I love her work. I love everything she does. And she created a journal and put it on her website, her Etsy shop. And as I was watching doing the flip through, I just knew it was mine. I'm like, I have to get this journal. It is so beautiful. It's so pretty. I have to have it. I have to have it. So I'm going to open it. This is how it came packaged, and this cute little doily thing around it. So cute. I know this is not actually a doily. This is like a little, like, I don't know what they're officially called, but look how cute that is. It's so pretty. I just want to like put it on my, I think I'm actually going to use it. I'm going to put it on my desk or something. Put that somewhere. Okay, so this is the journal, and then she did give me a couple of other goodies. Let me take this out so you don't see my address. She was super sweet. She sent me a couple of ledger papers. She had these big ledger papers. Those are cool. $18.98. How is this even still paper? $18.98. May 25, $18.98. Wow. That is really cool. So that was really sweet of her to throw those in. The little gift for me. That's so nice. And she made me this cute little note. And then she included some other goodies. So we'll open that in just a second. Let's open this. I love that. That's like, I love how crinkly it is. Oh, that's sweet. And let's see, let's open this up. Ooh, that's cool. Vellum, I love vellum. And then this like tea-dyed little baggie. And a couple of envelopes. Tea-dyed. And the weekly time cards. I love these things. Couple little cards. Aww. I have the paper that goes with this. I have paper that's exactly this. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it out in a second. I'm gonna see if it is. And then there's a little like message. It's a prayer book. So she added some cute little Bible verses in there. Oh, and this is that die cut from M. Holtz. There you go. It's actually really cool because I actually needed one of these for a project. And then this little thing, it's so cute. I love this vellum paper. Really cute. A guest check and a layaway envelope and a little postcard, and then another cool time card thing. I just want to see if the paper that I think matches that. I'll be right back. Yeah, see? I have the paper that matches this. And then I think the shoes are in here too. Yep, here they are. Isn't that funny? That's cool. Have to figure out how to do something with that. Cool, cool, cool. I love that. Okay, let's look at this. Super excited. Now, she did a complete flip through on her channel, so if you already watched it, you don't need to watch. But it's funny because halfway through, I'm like, oh, I'm just going to go buy that. I don't even need to look at the whole thing. So I didn't even watch the whole video because I kind of didn't want it to get spoiled, especially after I was able. So I'm going to open this real quick. So as she was doing the video, I kind of stopped watching it because I'm like, I'm just going to go buy it. I'm going to go see if it's still available, and I'm going to buy it. And it was still available, so I bought it. And then I didn't even go back and watch the rest of the video because I didn't want to be, I wanted to have surprises. So here it is. Oh my gosh. It's in my hand. Oh my God. It's so luscious. Look how beautiful that she tied that ribbon. I'm never going to be able to tie it like that again. And it's, I love the stitching and this is just beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Yeah, she did so much work on this. All of the sewing, and look at the little ribbon. I love how she did the little offcut like that. And then she didn't put it in the center. I always have to put everything in the center. And then I love these little, I think she said this was a download, digital download. I do have to go to the video back now and look at the downloads because I did want to get a couple of those. Really, really cute. Then she put index cards on the back. Or maybe there were already index cards? I don't know. I feel like she sewed that top piece on. And this is so pretty. Oh, I love all of this. I think she said, like I said, I think she said a couple of them were die cuts. I was wondering how she did that. Oh, I see what she did. Okay. I was like, how'd she make it be one page like that? So she just put this page in. Okay. Duh, that totally makes sense. And a little card right here and her favorite little embellishment thing. She loves using those things. I have a whole bunch too, and I keep not using them. So cute. Oh, restore. And then this big journaling card that she did like some collages on. I love the stamping on it, and then the zigzaggy little, and the little burlap at the bottom. Just every little thing. It's so, she put so much time into it. Then she did some digital stamping, or this was maybe a paper. Oh, so cute. I love how she sewed that on. Wow, that is a huge tag. That's a cool way to use a little applique. And I love how she did this with the, how she tied the ribbon around the ribbon. And then look at the bottom, how she put the little tag at the bottom. This is so pretty. A little guest check, little guest book thing. And I think this is where I stopped. I saw this and I'm like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go buy that. Because of this beautiful applique in here. I just love this needlepoint. So basically everything from now on, I haven't even seen it. I love these. That's so beautiful. It's like one of those things where if like you don't know what to pray about, you can just pull out one of these cards and just pray about that scripture. It's really cool. I love that. I mean, not that I typically know what to pray about. I have a lot to pray over. Yeah, and then the music sheet as a pocket. I love that idea. Yeah, see, I didn't see any of this. Blessed. I definitely need to get these. Whatever that digital print is, I need to buy that. Oh, I love how she did that. See, it's like the little things like that. Like, how does she think of doing that? Like folding that over like that and then sewing it. Like, that's just so clever. Oh, and then the gin rummy pages. That's cute. Yeah, I love this too. I'm gonna have to steal some of these ideas for my Holly Hobby Journal. So pretty. Ugh. Oh, I love, oh, that's so soft. Sorry, I'm not really talking because I'm just in awe of how beautiful this is. This big, huge pocket. Oh. Oh, and this is one of those little things she made on her channel. So stinking cute. And I love the, oh, look, there's some stamping on this page. And then a little number, and oh, I love that. And a little envelope. I mean, just like every little page has something on it. Oh, look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. And then she's got this little leaf or feather dangling off of it. Oh, I love that, how she did the lines in the book and these stitchings. Oh, look at that. The vellum page. Oh, this is really cute. How did she, wait, hold on. She took a bag and she put it up and she just like layered on a couple of different bags. So cute with the feather stamp and cute little tags. Oh, oh, that's a cute idea. Do pages like that. You are so clever, Lynette. How did you do that? Looks like tree bark. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, sorry. I feel like I'm not really talking. Oh, this is cool. I love this. I think that must have been a digital print she got. And then this is the second signature. Gosh, that was only the first signature? Wow. Tags. Oh, look at that. She just adds that simple little touch on there. I love that bee paper. And the guest check, the guest registry. And that's really cute. I love how you did that. That is so clever. It just adds like a different dimension. Oh, and then she put this in it. It's a circle. Look at that. You are just so creative. And all that layering. Just those simple little bits just make it so pretty. This paper is gorgeous. Yeah. This is just beautiful. I am so, so happy that I have this. This kind of feels like vellum. And then she did this page right here like that. And then the little believe with the vellum back on it, like tracing paper. And then she stamped the stamps. And then big lion. Yep. So pretty. And look at that piece right there. Just, I mean, it's just like adding those simple things just totally change the whole page. I believe who you say I am. Oh, I love that. And then she sewed that on there like that. It's so cool. It's very clever. Oh, and here's one of those little things. These little ticket things. This thing. did another one and added a bunch of ephemera pieces to it. Super cute. Oh, and that's the middle section with the little butterflies. Joy. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This has got a whole bunch of goodies in it. Wow. It's like a Mary Poppins pocket. Oh my gosh, there's, oh, no, what? No way. Wait. This is an envelope. And then she folded it and made this little thing a pocket. That is so freaking clever. And I totally ruined it because I'm sure it was all neatly in here. All pretty stacked up in here. And I ruined it by not opening it right. So, sorry, Lynette. Here, I'll try to put it back. I don't know how it went. I'll have to go look at your video and look how it was laid out. And then she paper clipped it. I mean, that is just very, very clever. Oh, I love these long pockets. So cute. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I just can't get over how pretty it is. I'm so happy I have it. I'm so glad it's mine. Oh my gosh, I love that idea. That is just really cute too, how she folded that in like that. And then added the lace to the side. Oh, look, I just love these so much. This big, huge pocket back here. That's beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. And the little stamping on the back. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much, Lynette. I hope that you watch this video. It's oh my God, I love it so much. I'm so happy I have it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Sorry if I'm a little bit fangirl when it comes to her, and her stuff is just so beautiful to me. I just love it. See, I'm never going to be able to tie it the way she had it. It's never going to happen ever again. Lynette, you're going to have to come to my house so you can tie this for me again, because it's never going to be as pretty as when you did it. It's just never going to be as pretty, but I'll try my best. All right, well, that is all that I wanted to do today. I just wanted to flip through this journal and show you how absolutely gorgeous it is. If you haven't done so already, I definitely recommend checking out her channel. She's been doing a lot of fun stuff in quarantine, and yeah, I'm just super happy that I have this, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So thank you so much, Lynette, for making it for me, even though you didn't know you were making it for me when you made it for me. And I will see you guys all real soon.